To clean or replace the air filter on your Scrambler 850 or Scrambler 1000, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Lock the parking brake. Pull up on the seat to remove it. Remove the rubber end of the clutch duct. Remove the rubber strap and remove the airbox cover. With the cover removed, inspect the seal. Replace it if it is worn or damaged in any way. Remove the filter by pulling rearward. Remove the fabric type pre-filter from the main filter and inspect the pre-filter. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Notice, if the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter with compressed air. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Wash the pre-filter with hot soapy water and air dry. Clean the airbox thoroughly. Wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Notice, any dirt or debris in the intake tube or boot could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Install the pre-filter onto the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Install the air filter into the air box, making sure it is fully seated. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent air leaks. Notice, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Reinstall the airbox cover and the strap retaining the cover. Reinstall the rubber end of the clutch duct. And install the seat by lining up the locators in front and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.